Are divorce laws fair and what is marital rape? In divorce cases, main issues to settle down are how much money husband has to pay to support his wife and child custody and visitation rights. Divorce proceedings they change the whole concept of marriage and reduce it only to money issue, and these proceedings also belittle women's role in marriage. If wife is a stay-home wife or housewife and husband is the earning member of home, then during marriage, wife does most of the housework like cleaning, cooking, washing, entertaining guests, planning events, taking care of kids, and husband goes outside to work and earns money. In divorce settlement, judge tells husband to keep giving money to ex-wife as he was doing during marriage. However, judge never tells wife to keep giving her services to her husband as she was doing during marriage, like cleaning, cooking, washing, and fulfilling husband's physical needs. So after divorce, why should not she continue those services? Is this fair to give punishment to one party and tell him to keep doing what he was doing during marriage, but other party doesn't has to do the same things? Other thing is that financially the status of married couple can change from year to year or over the years. Income can decrease or increase any year. It's not fixed for future. So why judge fixes a amount during divorce proceedings to be given to wife? Husband may not be able to make that amount of money every year. Why he has to go to jail if he cannot keep up with his income, or if he cannot keep giving his wife that fixed amount? Other thing is that during marriage, roles can change. Husband can become a stay-at husband, wife may start to work. If husband gets disabled, wife starts working and supports the family. But in divorce proceeding, the court assumes that husband will always be working and wife is not working, and then husband has to pay wife or like for his life. If husband cannot earn or maintain the same standard as before divorce, why he still has to pay the same amount? Why wife cannot start working and support husband and herself? Where is equality after divorce? Wife enjoys life and husband keeps working to support wife and kids. It's a good money making strategy. Get married, do not work, get divorced, and that grief, then get free money for life and enjoy life. Is there a thing called marital rape? There are so many relations: mother child, father child, brother brother, sister sister, brother sister, grandparents, grandchildren, uncle, aunts, neighbors, cousins, etc. All these relations are different from husband wife relations. Physical relations are an integral part of marriage or husband wife relations. And this physical contact is not present or necessary in all other relations. Marriage means that both sides are agreeing for this physical relationship. So, what is marital rape? If husband is asking wife to fulfill his physical needs and wife keeps refusing, then what are the options for husband? Is this a good option for him to suppress his desires or to go outside of his marriage to fulfill his needs or ignore wife's wishes? Should not it be a ground for divorce if wife fails to fulfill the agreement made at the time of marriage? And then after this kind of divorce, is she still eligible to get the support from the husband money wise? We need to think.